世界中の皆さん、こんにちは。Or should I be saying, おはようございます。Why am I laughing? It's because it's 3:30 in the morning. In preparation for the new Shoyu Japan Life, I want to show you the preparation process of what I'm going through, as I've been saying. And part of the preparation process is having a home base where I can be shooting some videos and editing and doing things like that. And I am actually in that room that I want to be doing this at, the place I'll be calling the Shoyu Japan home base. But right now, this room is just one big mess. But you can't tell, can you? It looks pretty good right here. And I was contemplating on whether or not I should be showing you this room because, again, it is one big mess and I don't want you to think I'm a slob. But keep in mind, I'll be going on a trip in a couple of days. So a big portion of the mess in this room is preparation for that trip. So I will show you this room. And then I need to kind of get it cleaned up a little bit. So at 3:30 in the morning, I should be sleeping. But I will clean. And cleaning in Japanese is called soji. So it is now soji time, part 1. So 掃除します。掃除しましょうか。掃除しましょう。掃除する。So let me show you this room. So here we are in the room, looking good, looking good, looking good, and oh my gosh. But again, I said I'm going on a trip, so preparation stuff, we got some stuff here, we got some stuff there, here, and even some of the stuff in the back over there is preparation stuff. But again, soji time, let's get cleaning. So not bad for a mini cleaning session here. That was about 30-40 minutes of cleaning. But we got that area cleaned up. Still got some details to work on here, but a good portion of it. I gotta go back to sleep. This is nuts. But hope you join me on this journey with Shoyu Japan Life. And as we get prepared, I hope we can get some exciting stuff out there for you. So home base is almost there. じゃあ、またね。